Good morning, children. Welcome to class 7 science once again. I hope you all are safe and stay home. Children, in a previous videos, we were discussing about chapter 11, that is transportation in animals and plants. In this chapter, we have discussed about blood circulatory system. Blood circulatory system consists of blood, blood vessels and heart. So about blood we have discussed, that is blood is consist of plasma, RBC, WBC and platelets. Sorry. And blood vessels, that is of three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. We have discussed about heart. Heart, that is muscular pumping organ. It pumps the blood through all parts of the body by blood vessels. Now children, in last we'll discuss about excretion. Okay, how the waste product is released from our body. Okay, so the waste product that is released from our body by excretory system, and the name of process, that is excretion. Okay, so today in this video we are going to start the excretory system, and also we will discuss about the vascular system. Okay, the vascular tissues. So start. See the first, that is excretion in animals. In this, as I told you, excretion is the process by which waste products are removed from the body. Excretion is done by excretory system. Okay, clear about these things? Excretion, that is removal of waste products from our body, and excretory system is consist of kidneys, ureters and urinary bladder. Okay, kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. The four things that are combined together and form excretory system. Okay, now see how the excretion takes place in our body. First of all, the blood bring the waste materials to the kidney. After that, kidney filter the waste and remove the waste as urine. Okay, so children, in our kidney a special type of filter are found, that the filter name is nephron. Okay, nephron filter that are attached to the kidney, and they filter the blood and remove the waste material in the form of urine. Okay, so if the question asked in exam, so which type of filter that are used in kidney, so you can say nephron. After that, when urine is released from the kidney, then it goes to the ureters, then to the urinary bladder. Okay, first of all it goes to the ureters, then urinary bladder, and from urinary bladder it goes to the urethra. Okay, and from urethra it is released from the body. Okay, now by the use of this diagram you can understand very well. We have two pair of kidneys. The function of these kidney, that is in excretion, and this is our excretory system, that is consist of kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Okay, kidneys filter the blood. After that, the waste material release from the blood and it goes to the long pipe, that is ureter, and by the use of these long pipe the urine goes to the urinary bladder. Okay, after that from urinary bladder it goes to the urethra and released from the body. Okay, it go out through the urethra and release from the body. This is the process of excretion that takes place by excretory system. Okay, so children, the human excretory system consists of kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Okay, clear? After that, transportation will discuss in plants. Okay, in animals we have discussed, in animals we have seen that the digested food, water, oxygen is transported to the each and every part by the blood circulatory system, and the waste material is also transported from kidney to the urethra. So both type of transportation we have seen in animals. Now children will also study the transportation in plants. Okay, in plants a special tissues are found, that is vascular tissues, and these vascular tissue transported the food and water to the various parts of the plants. Okay, see how this process occur in plants. Transported of food, water and minerals takes place through special tissues called vascular tissue. Okay, children, if the question will come what is tissue, so you write tissue is a group of cells, okay, which perform a special task. Okay, like first of all each and every living organism, whether plant or animal, start their life with a single cell. After that the division takes place in the cell and it will divides to form tissue. Okay, then tissue to organs, organ to organ system and organ system to the organism. Okay, so tissue, that is a group of cell. When cells are combined together they form tissues and they perform the special task, special function. Okay, so the vascular tissue that is found in plant are of two types, xylem and phloem. Xylem transport the water and phloem transport the food. Okay, xylem transport the water and phloem transport the food. The root, they also have root hairs. Okay, on the upper side of the root hairs are found, and these root hair absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, so the question may be asked in exam, what is the function of root hairs? So the function of root hairs is to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, or maybe ask in exam, name the part of the root which are absorb water and minerals. So simply you can give the answer, that is root hairs. Okay, after that we have discussed already xylem tissues, they transport the water to all parts of the plant, and phloem that transport the food to all parts of the plant. Okay, very simple, very easy. Phloem, that is for food, phloem food and xylem water. Okay, Clear about this? Any confusion? Now children, this is the structure in which you can see the stem. In stem, the two types of tissue are found. This is xylem that transport the water, and these are phloem that transport the food. And these roots here that are found on the upper side of the roots, they absorb water and minerals from soil. Okay, clear? Any problem now here children? The very simple, very easy topic that we have taken today, that is transportation in animals, that is transportation of waste material from excretory system to outside, and also in plants by vascular tissue. Xylem transport the water and phloem transport the food. Okay, I hope you have learned properly. If any query, any problem, we will discuss in live class. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for your kind cooperation. The slides that we are taking in this video, we have taken from Priyanka Tyagi blogs.